As area rights recognize an overriding public interest in protecting the privacy of sexual assault victims and minors involved in crime. And there's almost a public safety argument that could be made that could trump not the public right to know, but the sensationalistic coverage, which I think Ari makes a good case, does play a role in contagion. Trying to understand as opposed to sensationalize is something I think would be of value for media generally. One thing that struck me is the social media. I mean, that's really not that new, but it's a major factor. And how does one put even, voluntary restrictions on social media, which really becomes out of control at moments like this?
Yeah, that's a really hard question to answer, and I don't have a great answer for it. I will say, just to specify a little bit, as a model of what not to do, you look at the way that NBC News handled it when the Virginia Tech shooter sent them this manifesto video that he made. That's essentially like broadcasting a propaganda video from North Korea. It has very little informational value, and it allows the shooter to control the kind of messaging of the event. It's a public spectacle. They're trying to create this spectacle of rage and violence. And so I think that the ways that you try to counter that are to think about not playing into the shooter's deliberate messaging.
What role do you think video games play? Because that's an ongoing dispute argument. I think some of the mass shooters have had intimate relations with what is, and I'm sure many people understand, is it outflanks Hollywood in terms of being a major industry, and especially among young men.
I see maybe a weak relationship there. There are some mass shooters who did obsessively play the first-person shooter games. It's hard for me to think that it really made a very big difference. I think that they're obsessing over actual acts that happened created the real ideation that was necessary for them to start planning these out as deliberate acts.
That's interesting.
So what would be examples of a cultural idea like this burning itself out or getting ground down by the forces who want to stop it?
Well, I don't know how applicable this is, but there was a phenomenon very similar to this in Malaysia that started, I don't know if anybody really knows when it started, but it was noticed by Western voyagers, I think Captain Cook in the 1700s. It was basically the same as the rampage killing that we have now, but it was done with machetes. It was called running amok. That's where we get the term running amok. And it's sort of the same idea. Somebody enters a kind of frenzy state or has this rage, and they act it out in this way. And it did burn itself out eventually. It kind of stopped happening by the early 1900s. I don't know offhand exactly what the factors in that were, but you can see something sort of similar in serial killing, which doesn't happen nearly as often now in the United States as it used to. I think that there needs to be more attention and study to what causes these things to burn themselves out. I don't know that there's a simple answer to that, though.
You wrote about one interesting example from Vienna in the 1980s about how there was an epidemic of suicides in the Vienna subway, and there was a particular set of standards that media started following there that seems to have been successful in snuffing out that epidemic.
Right, yeah, so that's a good example. So, so there was this rash of suicides in Vienna in the 1980s, people jumping onto the subway tracks and killing themselves. And it was similar to this in a way. It kind of came out of nowhere. It seems like somebody just got the idea to do this at some point, and then the media started covering it in this very sensationalized and even a very romanticized sort of way, where for people who were depressed, it seemed like a way to kind of give their lives meaning in this tragic final act, which I think is basically what mass shootings are. And eventually psychological researchers realized this, and they asked the local media to start reporting these in more clinical ways, not put them on the front page. I think they asked them not to use the word suicide in the headline, basically to just kind of tone it down, put it a little bit further in, and report on it in a less clinical way that didn't play into the idea of this as being this grand and tragic act. And the suicides dropped by about 50% pretty quickly.
And so I've been interested, you wrote about this for the Wall Street Journal in 2013, and then you wrote again just a few months ago about coverage of mass shootings, and it looked like there had been some change over the last few years in the way news organizations are approaching these. It sounds like some of them are adopting what you might call best practices about how to cover these in a way that reduces the risk that they will glorify mass shooters and encourage copycats.
Yeah, there has been some change. I think Anderson Cooper, for the last few years, has been not naming mass shooters. Ben Shapiro made a similar announcement just a few days ago. And there have been a few other examples like that. I think these are mostly exceptions rather than the norm. And my experience when I've been writing and talking about this has been that journalists are really resistant to this idea. They take it as blaming the media for mass shootings. And of course, the NRA basically released a video a day or two ago arguing that it's the media's fault for mass shootings. And so you can understand why people, particularly in the media, might not be receptive to this idea. I think it's really important not to frame this as something where the media is to blame, but to just recognize that they have a role in this. That in a sense, it's like publishing the template for a bomb or the details of how to carry out a terrorist attack. It is a script for how to create this violence again, and you're putting it out there and enabling other people to do it again. So there are these little glimmers. There are a few little media groups who are starting to think and talk about what the best practices might be, but it's just small glimmers at this point.
Ari Schulman, I want to thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Still with me here are on the left Katrina Vanden Heuvel of The Nation magazine and Rich Lowry of National Review on the right. It is CPAC right now, the major conservative conference outside Washington, D.C. And I'll note, Rich Lowry, you're not there. You're here in New York. Why aren't you at CPAC?
I haven't been there the last couple of years, and it's in part because it's harder for me to go down for 4 days for family reasons, but in part because I find CPAC less compelling than I used to.
I would imagine you would, because the kind of conservatism the National Review, to a large extent, has championed is not on display at this operation. I mean, you have a president in the White House who's not your cup of tea, and it's kind of a collection of grievances and conspiracy theories. I mean, your magazine even took this on the other day. Kevin Williamson had a piece about enough with the rancid conspiracy theories. Now, it's not unique to the right, but still, it's been an ugly period, especially the CPAC convention coming in the wake of the Parkland mass shootings.
Well, CPAC's always been, has fringy elements, always. And that's true, I think, of any really highly partisan or ideological gathering that attempts to have some mass appeal. But the temptation at all these events is to play to the crowd. And it's what a lot of talk radio does. It's what a lot of CPAC does. And there's just a fear of airing the intra-conservative debate about Trump, and there is one. So you'll see these justifications of inviting Milo Yiannopoulos, who was disinvited,